powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Philips 4400 LatteGo, huh? Both super-automatic espresso machines.
Yeah, seems like it. The Breville is the BES88 BTR, and the Philips is EP4447/90. Right off the bat, the Breville seems a bit more established. It has over 3,800 reviews, while the Philips has like 1.
Good point. The Breville also has a lot more videos and images available, which is always helpful. I'm seeing the Barista Touch has a built-in conical burr grinder with dose control. Does the Philips have a grinder?
It does, but it's a ceramic grinder with 12 grind settings. Philips boasts about it delivering high-quality coffee from fresh beans.
Okay, interesting. The Breville uses a thermojet heating system for a faster heat-up time, like 3 seconds. What about the Philips?
The Philips uses something called Quick Start for faster coffee, but doesn't give a specific time. It also has aroma extract, which optimizes brewing temp. Sounds fancy.
Both are definitely aiming for convenience. What about milk frothing? The Breville has an auto steam wand with adjustable temperature and texture. Latte art, here I come.
The Philips has the LatteGo system. It's supposed to make silky smooth foam, even with plant-based milk, and they really push the easy cleaning aspect. Just 2 parts. Rinse clean in 10 seconds, dishwasher safe and all.
Oh, that's compelling. Cleaning is always a drag. The Breville has a touchscreen, right? For easy control?
Yep, the Philips does too. A modern colored touchscreen. It lets you pick from 12 hot and iced coffee recipes, which is a nice touch. The Breville lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees.
So the Breville has a bigger water capacity, 67 ounces compared to the Philips, which doesn't specify a capacity, and weighs a hefty 21.8 pounds. Philips doesn't list the weight either.
And the Breville also comes with a bunch of accessories like a portafilter, filter baskets, a milk jug, and cleaning tools.
Okay, so to sum it up, the Breville seems more feature-packed and has a stronger track record. But the Philips is really focusing on ease of use and cleaning, and the iced coffee option is nice. I guess it depends on what you prioritize. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.